Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to do masking using CapCut app. Now just go to CapCut. Here you can see new project option, click on it. Select the video that you want to edit. Now click on the bottom right add option. Now split the video like this and copy the video 2 times. Scroll down here and here you can see copy option, click on it again. Now select the second and third video and scroll down here to the left and click on overlay. Again to the third video. Click on overlay here. You can delete the ending, just like click on the ending and delete in the bottom right option. Now drag the video under the main video like this, and the third one also. Now click on the first overlay video and here you can see beside the volume option blend, click on it. Make the opacity to 50. Now scroll down here and you can see cutout option, click on it. Click on remove background and the third video also, click on it and remove the background. Now again click on the first overlay video, go back and here you can see effects option in the bottom right, click on it. Click on video effects, scroll here and here you can see texture, click on it. Click on dot silk screen, again click on it to adjust it. Now make the filter to 0. Now make the cover the full video like this. Now click here and click on the first overlay video. Use your 2 finger to zoom it like this. Now your video is done. Click on the top right download button. So guys, this is how can you do masking using CapCut app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.